Diane is a simple girl who lives in a foster home in Naga City. One day, she was walking in the park when she saw a poster on the wall. Diane slowly reads the paper. Inside the paper is a picture of a bracelet. It says that the rich man in their city is looking for his daughter and that she would have the bracelet in the picture. And then, Diane gets a bad idea.
I have a similar bracelet at home. What if I pretend to be a daughter?
Diane then rushes home to get the bracelet. But when she arrived, she saw Yvonne.
Yvonne, what are you doing? Why are you wearing my bracelet? I think you know exactly why I'm wearing your bracelet. But it's mine. You can't use it. Give it back. It's too late.
When Yvonne left her, Diane starts to think that the plan was really bad and that it's better if she just let Yvonne win. After all, she is her best friend, but something inside her just wants to try and win, so she decides to go. When Diane arrives at the location, she spots Yvonne and a few other girls that she doesn't know.
I see many of you think you are my daughter. I don't want to waste any more time, so let's make this fast. Which one of you has the bracelet? If you don't, then leave.
Diane was about to leave when the rich guy suddenly added,
So if your name is Diana or similar, stay.
Diane was relieved but also started to think if she was the actual daughter.
One of you has the bracelet.
Me, because I'm the real daughter.
Well, I have the name.
Enough! The both of you sound like fighting little kids. My daughter has a mark on her palm. You, show me your palm. You have a mark.
But I have a mark too. Aren't you going to check it?
Show me then. You have it. Well, how about the both of you join me for lunch?
The rich man and the two girls eat and talk. Diane then notices how the rich man began to warm up with them and how he's really sweet and kind. Then, Diane felt conscious just then.
We're liars! Diane, sorry Eve, but this is wrong. And I understand that both of you are angry. So, I'm sorry.
A few days later, Diane reads in the news that the rich man had a heart attack. Feeling guilty, she decided to visit him.
What are you doing here? I don't want to see anyone.
Diane started to sing a lullaby. And after Diane sang, she saw the rich man crying. And she asked,
Why are you crying?
I used to sing that to my daughter. Well, goodbye my dear Diana.
While Diane was looking at the papers the rich man left her, she sees an interesting paper. It was a DNA result. She then read it and started to cry.
My real father, and I am his real daughter.
She then sees another paper and she reads it. It started off with,
Dear Diane,
I'm glad you are reading this. How was your day? How was your life? I'm sorry I couldn't find you sooner. After I left you at the foster home, I came back to get you, but you weren't there anymore. I never gave up hope that I would find you. I just stopped because you were a lot going on. I want you to know that I'm proud of you. I hope you're happy and I am sorry. Take care, my child.
After reading the letter, Diane, now called Diana, visited her father's grave and said,
we didn't have much time. I'm still glad we got together. Bye, Dad.
Diana continues her journey and will forever cherish her dad's last conversation with her.